Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. This is my second video on Excel sheet to AutoCAD. The first video link is given below. It's called copy and paste special command. In this video I will show you how to link Excel sheet to AutoCAD. It's called data link command, which is mostly used by the experts. So let's begin. Here I open one Excel sheet file. Name is 123. You have to go to formulas. Here define name. Give a name from your own side. I will give like data 123. Okay. Now go back to AutoCAD. You have to type here DL, data link. Enter. One window will open for you. Excel link. Create a new Excel data link. Click on this. Give a name. I will just write D1. Now use an existing Excel file or browse for a new one. Browse for a file. So here I will go for the file. The file which I open there, it is 123. I'll select on this, open it. It will take a while. Yeah, this is imported here. Okay, and okay. Now you have to go to the table. Just click on table. Here you want to make new table, or there is a one option from a data link. So select this. Now again select this D1. Okay, it will come here in the table. Click OK. So it is imported to AutoCAD. See, the benefit of this data link, whenever you want to edit, just go to the same Excel sheet or file, whatever changes you want to make it. Suppose I will make like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any changes you want to make it, and save. Come here, just click, right click, and here download change from the source file. Click on this. It will take a bit time. See, it has been changed. So any change you want to make it directly from the source file, just change it there. It will come automatically here. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel for more AutoCAD tutorials.